Hello, this is Ciseret Blue Hand Nose tutorial. Simply loosen the gray wool and wet the foam ball tightly. Just like this. And poking the connection first. The feeling of poking on the foam ball is wonderful. I really enjoy it. And don't forget to size. Constantly poking the wool. Poking another side and repeat the step. The rest are the same poke action. I will accelerate the video. Let's felt the blue head. Take out the blue wool and shirr it into a soft and fluffy. Now the wool on both sides fold inward to form a triangle. Fold it in half again and wrap the excess wool. Poking the connection first. Rotating the wool and keep poking. You will shape a nice tip of the hat. Pop the rest. Shape the loosened wool into matic status. Now let's make the arm. Split the red wool. Wrap the wool around the index and middle finger. Rotating the wool and keep poking until it becomes a small cylinder arm visible to the naked eyes. The arm is placed on the side of the body. Make the second arm in the same method. Split the wool and wrap around the index and middle finger. When you have finished making the arm, you can also compare the size in the paper instructions to determine whether the size is appropriate. Now we are making the nose hand. Split the flashy pink wool, wrapping around the index finger first. Curving and folding the wool will make it compactly. Now it's time to put on your finger cords. While you're poking the small thing, you'd better wear it, rotating the wool and keep poking. It won't take a long time to make a little hand. Making the another hand in the same way. Split the wool and wrap it around the index finger, curving and folding. Poking it to a small ball. Now let's make the feet. Split the red wool, and the measurement must be more than making the hand. Wrapping the wool around the index finger. We're gonna make it into a cuboid. You can compare the size in the paper instructions. If it is not big enough, add wood, or you can keep poking to reduce the size. Repeat the step, there still have one to go. Assemble hands and arms. Poke all the contact area between the hand and the arm. Vertical prick deeply. Poking the connection makes the arm and hand compact. Same method to make another one. Now assemble the body and head. Poking around the contact area between head and body. Place the bear at the joints of the head and the body. Poking it lightly and make sure it is met on the body. Place the nose in the middle of the joint. And the arms are placing on two sides. Take a part of blue wool and loosen it, wrapping around the head as the brim. Adjust the wool and make it look like fluffy. Poking the lighter the better. Assemble the feet and body. poking around the contact area between the feet and the body until they are matted tightly. You can trim the bear with the scissors if it is too long. Turn the bear up and pop the mesh gauze to reinforce it. Then it won't fall off. My favorite part is coming. Let's decorate the head with the gemstone sticker. It looks like the diamond. Take the thread through the head with a needle. Tie a knot and cut the handle. Now you can hang it up.
Bye.